Welcome to this tutorial on how to use the Exlicon Ellipse brass disc. Let's get started. To draw the spirals, simply trace along the spiral holes on the center of the ellipse disc. This will create a spiral shape that you can use in a variety of designs. If you want to create an ellipse mandala drawing guide using the disc, begin by tracing the shape of the disc and mark the center point of the ellipse disc. Then, trace the holes around the disc and connect the dots to the center point of the ellipse using a ruler. This will create a series of lines that you can use as a guide for creating symmetrical and intricate designs. Once you have your drawing guide, you can start drawing your design within the shape. Did you know that our ellipse disc can also be used to draw circles? It's simple. Just grab another pen and follow these easy steps. First, place the ellipse disc on a flat surface and insert one pen into a hole. Then, take your second pen and insert it into another hole. While keeping the first pen stable, rotate the disc with the second pen to draw your circle. You can draw different sizes by changing the pen placement. Draw like a pro with Ddiin.